The Lamborghini Miura, unleashed in 1966, shattered conventional layouts by placing a V12 behind the front axle, setting new records for mid-engine performance. Its 3.9-litre V12 delivered about 350 horsepower, propelling the car toward 170 miles per hour and redefining what a road car could achieve. Designers Giugiaro and Bertone collaborated to fuse sweeping curves with race car precision, while the daring pop-up headlights became an emblem of audacious styling. The Miura's global debut at Geneva electrified enthusiasts and forced rivals to rethink their entire approach to supercars. Named after a fierce bull, its fierce spirit epitomizes Lamborghini's fearless lineage.